On the Ukrainian front line, the amount of drones is insane. You normally have about 20 to 40 drones above you at all times. When the drone operator sees the target and decides to engage, he will most likely engage the throttle harder. So you will go from like to very high pitch engine, and that's how we know, oh, we are in trouble. My name is Juny. I am a Uruguayan. I am ex-member of the Ukrainian Special Forces, and I fought in Ukraine since the beginning of 2023 to like the end of 2024. Horizon Guardian is our in-house made counter drone system, combining our experiences of shooting down FPVs and being attacked and hostigated by FPVs with shotguns and rifles in the front lines every day. We created this simulator to get it as close as possible to what it feels exactly in real life to get engaged. Locate the drone, look at it, and just wait and track. So when the drone decides to commit, to stop maneuvering and go for the strike, that's when they acquire the target and engage. That's the way that you can have the maximum amount of possibility to actually destroy the drone. There's clearly a big ignorance of defending against drones, from protocol to SOPs to just understanding how they work. The Varjo headset is the one that provides with the best quality to be able to, because drones are of course small, normally they are 5 inches, the biggest ones are like 10 tops, so the Varjo has a resolution that allows you to properly see the drone at 150 meters or even more and properly track it. We also have the possibility to connect to our Ukrainian partner FPV simulator called Obri, and then have a human pilot fly FPVs against the human defending himself. As of course in Europe, there's still not a clear way of how to use drones with live ammunition. We can go into classrooms and have this, which doesn't need any paperwork, nothing, just virtual drones on a virtual aspect, but you're already training all the fundamentals and understandings of how drones and counter drones works. Europe and the West is all about risk mitigation. This is the highest risk mitigation that you can have. It's cheap and it will keep soldiers alive.